Hello everybody, yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the brake light bulb on 2012 Kia Sorento. Yeah, they have two screw in here, okay? It's one on the top and one on the bottom. Okay, let's get it started, guys. Just unscrew it, okay? See it? It's out right now. So see the bulb in here, like completely open. It's turned to black already, you see guys. Just get a new one and need that one, check the other one too. Good. Okay, and let's install it back, okay? You're gonna see two pins here. Just go directly to them. And screw it back in. Okay guys, it's all set to go. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.